Still writing your property listings manually? You're missing out on one of the smartest tools in real estate, AI. Let me show you how to write listings that actually sell in half the time. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai can turn a basic headline like three-bedroom house in Melbourne into something way more attention-grabbing, like modern family retreat in the heart of the suburbs. All you need to do is give it the key features, and it handles the rest. And instead of listing boring bullet points, ask AI to rewrite them with emotion and lifestyle in mind. So instead of just open-plan kitchen, big backyard, you get cook family meals in a sleek open-plan kitchen, then unwind in your private backyard oasis. It's quick, powerful, and way more engaging. And if you're ever stuck creatively, ask AI, give me 5 fresh listing ideas for a luxury apartment in Sydney, or describe a home ideal for a young family with pets. It's like having a copywriter on call 24/7. Even your calls to action can be stronger. AI will suggest options like book a private tour today before it's gone, or DM us for the full 360 degrees walkthrough. Way better than a plain old call now. So if you want to write listings that capture attention and save time using AI, I can help. DM me, and I'll show you exactly how to set this up for your next property. Let's make your next listing a scroll stopper.